Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I actually have a really great API to generate fake data. Actually, not this is not data, but to have random images and random images in categories. Okay, there are too many categories of it. As a placeholder, while you are developing your front end, maybe the data isn't ready, the backend isn't ready, so you can easily use it to develop it, right? And you can run the whole thing within your device as well. Okay, so that's also a great piece of thing that I really liked about this. Okay, and it has its own extension like VS Code extension, so that is also a great add-on. Okay, so let's see the website and then we will talk more about it. Okay. So here is lorem.specs. Okay, so really appropriate name for it, but I would think like if it was lorem.images or something like that, that would like more that would be more suited for it. But I don't think we have img domain name TLDs, img tmdd, or image TLD with us right now. But yeah, as you can see, we get a lot of categories of images here. Here are random movie posters, random game covers, and one thing you will notice that after it, like after this query movie, not query, query is this portion. So after that, they have given the params. Yes, params. That is width 150 and height 220. So yes, you can define both width and height while calling this API as well. So that's also utility wise a great piece of specs that they have added over here. Okay, and we have game covers, album covers, random book covers, faces. I know the people gonna require this a lot because yeah, a lot of time we use when we are building user centric front ends, we need a lot of faces, right? So that is here. Then random fashion picture, random shoes, random watch pictures, random furnitures, random pizzas, random burgers. This should have made random food as well. Random drink, random cars, houses, and totally random images. So yeah, there are lots of categories over here, and here is the biggest code plugin, which you can obviously use with Control Shift P and then select lorem space. While you're developing something, you can directly call API from your VS Code, so you don't have to always like go visit this site to in order to like get all of those commands. So that is a great thing that we are having over here. Then we have yes, we have those categories that they have mentioned over here. Yes, as you can see, those are the categories that we have. Okay, and I have already like showed you this, and here is the how to use API guide. So how you will use it, what to do, what are the things that you can decide and all. Okay, so yeah, this is the parameter that like this is the parameter that you have to set, like the query movie. Here this movie is selected, all of the others categories are over here, then width and height. That's it. And rather than that, we have like yeah, that thing that I have said, like you have a local dev environment. You will get a local dev environment as well with this. Like if you go to their GitHub repo, and it's a open source project for sure. So if you go to their GitHub repo, you can download it. This is primarily in Golang, I think. Yeah, primarily written in Golang. So yeah, here from here you can get Golang data Golang server. If you are in Docker, you can like run this. If you are in Windows, you can run this. Like they have binary server. That's a really great thing that they are providing over here, and in Linux and in Mac OS. Okay, so this is all about it. Okay, and if you wanna donate to this project, here is their BTC, ETH, and LTC address. So they are taking donation with crypto. That is really a top notch thing. So yeah, that's actually about it about this side. I don't know what they have mentioned over features over here. Yeah, open source, MIT license, categorized, Docker application. You can use the Docker application, cached image, custom sizes, and OS specific builds. So yeah, actually, all of those things already you have like got the idea from here as well. So yeah, really great piece of API that they have provided over here. Okay, I'm really liking it. I'm going to use it for sure for my personal projects when I'm developing front ends for my customers, clients, or whoever I'm doing the job. And rather than that, okay, so rather than this is about this like whole site. If you know about some of the great API services like this, like faker type or something like that, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature in my future video. Okay, first I'm gonna use them for my own self, then obviously I will feature that. And rather than that, if you like this video or like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up. Okay, share with your friends, comment down below, like how much do you like it or not, or what should I change or not. Okay, so that's it. 56 videos remaining, right? So bye.